In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan Snapcode from a screenshot. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Now I'll use my own Snapcode as an example. Here I can tap at Snapcode and then I can hit on save to camera roll to save it to my phone's gallery, or I can make a screenshot of that page, it doesn't matter. And now I can hop out Snapchat, open up my photos. Here I got that Snapcode, and now all I have to do is open up Snapchat, then tap at this person and plus sign to add friends, and there next to find friends text field I got this little Snapcode icon. I can tap on that and it opens up my phone's gallery where I can choose any Snapcode picture. I can just tap on that and now it moves me to my own page because I added a Snapcode from my own page. But if you scan a Snapcode from someone's other Snapchat page, it will move you to that person's profile where you can add this person as a friend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.